Yeah. Oh, okay, so you might not actually be doing the like, there's a new setup in which you also load cancel the advanced qualifier to skip doing that as well. You go straight to Ghost Station when you get into the containment suite. Oh, dang it, missed that.
Ratchet, I have figured out a way to get information to you without Bog's knowing. Pay attention to a secret at the top of your screen. Congratulations, Ratchet. You made it through the qualification course. Check your map. Travel to the Ghost Station battle course is not.
Yeah, so you can skip straight to Ghost Station if you do another skip. But I mean, I might. Yeah, I'll show you how to set it up.
In challenge mode, you can now buy basic mode.
Just in case you decide to do another proper EGS run.
Ratchet, in challenge mode, you can buy the massively destructive.
Sir, if we don't make it out alive, I just want to say it was an honor serving with you.
Yeah, it's good. It's good that Victoria's out of lockdown.
Oh, I wouldn't worry. Were you? Request permission to begin hacking.
Oh yeah, okay, so I mean Mobius and Fireproof and all, you sort of found a faster way of doing multiple ob-chaining hyperstacks together.
Parents with impressionable children may want to turn off their holosets now.
Children with impressionable
Or except Auckland. That had a pretty big outbreak not that long ago. Yeah, so you press triangle once out of the control options, and then you press start, because that keeps you hovering over the options menu on the first page of the menu, of the pause menu, so that you can just, it's like sort of combines the way that I used to do them with how everyone else normally does them, in that I exited out with triangle because that keeps it locked on the options menu, but then you press start, it's out of when you get to the main option, when you get to the options list, and that saves, it's not much, but it does save a bit of time. Oh, I was about to split again, but don't do that.
I am so sorry, Ratchet. I did not realize I was leading you into another one of Bog's.
Dang it, I missed that.
There is still a way out, though. If you can destroy the 3 fusion generators on the control level, it will release the escape shuttles,
Oh,
and
I
both the fans
again, I'm
and the
not
heroes
doing
will be saved.
this very well. Please don't tell me I got stuck there. Also, did you like the tweet that I made to your engineer video, Ben?
That's what I was trained for, sir.
I can't believe I actually did. I can't believe I actually tweaked this. But there are some parts. It's like I put a really crazy. I put a really crazy piece of music behind it, and there's some parts where it lines up absolutely perfectly. Oh no, got it.
Ratchet, you are running out of time. The generators are overloading.
Oh no, you don't. Yeah, waste generator is so much better this way.
I'm blowing some stuff up. Yeah, that's a nice way of saying it.
Because I mean, right, come on, central core clip. I can get it first try. This will almost certainly be a PB.
First of all, Timmy Aberdeen, I'm the one who sent your backpack home.
I don't think I
On
got
fire.
it. No.
I'm sorry you couldn't get it off in time.
But I did. Maybe just a tip there. Doing a hyperstack there actually makes it easier. To do that trick.
Command your bot to toss
Or
out
it does
an
for me
enemy by
anyway.
pressing the left directional button.
They cannot be that far. Destroy him. Destroy his family. Make him try into his next life.
I've never seen that before. Ladies and gentlemen, Juanita.
Yep, PB. Wait 2 minutes.
Oh, don't pretend like you care. You.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So yeah, I mean, I will go. I will try. I guess I might as well. I've got a couple more slots. I'll go a couple more times. I might as well. Okay, so stop this.